How to rotate screen on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to rotate the screen on your iPhone and also how to use assistive touch for easier control. So let's get started. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Look for the rotation lock icon. It looks like a lock with a circular arrow. If it's on, simply tap it to turn it off. Now when you rotate your phone sideways, the screen will rotate automatically. Let me show you how. Let me open one Chrome. And when you do this here, as you can see, it is now rotated. Now let's talk about assistive touch, which makes it super easy to control your iPhone without using physical buttons. Simply open settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now tap on touch, and here you can find assistive touch. Simply turn on the feature. Now you'll now see a small floating button on your screen. Tap on it to open shortcuts like Home, Siri, Control Center and more. And that's how you rotate your screen and use assistive touch on your iPhone.